So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can pose like your favorite celebrities, bloggers or any models even if you are not a model. So let's start. So what we can do is we can learn few tips and tricks very smartly and play with them. So guys, whenever I post my stories or videos or photos on Instagram, a lot of people tell me that Muskan, you are very smart, you have good skin tones and stuff. But let me tell you that when we see our favorite celebrities, we have to get inspired by them and not criticize ourselves. That a lot of people tell me that we don't know how to pose because we don't have perfect body, we don't have perfect clothes, or we don't have perfect face. I don't think any face or any color can define that you can pose or cannot, because there are a lot of models that are brown in tone, that are fat, and they are just a good example of being a model. So you can also pose. There is nothing barriers in between you and your postures. So let's start with the video. So the first thing while clicking pictures, that what we have to keep in mind is we have to take inspiration from any person, picture or anything, be it Pinterest or anything. So whenever I used to click my pictures earlier, I used to take inspiration from few people and pictures and how all these things work. So earlier when I used to click my own pictures, I always ended up clicking my pictures like so these things just were not working for me. So what I did was I figured out that what angle I should get my pictures clicked in, that my left side was not that much prettier than my right side. So because my right teeth were quite good, so you need to figure out that what side of your face is quite well. You should also focus on which side of your profile is quite well, and you can also go through that. So with inspiration, aesthetic is also the second step that goes through side. That inspiration and aesthetic go side by side. Aesthetic is the vibe that you see in any picture or anything. Like say for example, your photograph is telling that this picture is a whole retro or vintage look, or a very vibrant look, very yellowish sort of tone, or very warm tone like brown and grey stuff. So in your pictures, aesthetic should be the clearest of all the things. So the aesthetic can be that your whole feed of your social media is filled with the pictures of your outfit and not showing your face, and keeping your mobile phone like this. That works super nicely. And aesthetic equals to carefree pictures, that carefree vibe of what you are feeling at that time. So the next thing that matters while clicking your pictures is lightning. So my next point will contradict my statement, like sometimes good lighting is quite well and sometimes dark lighting is quite well. You need to work with both the things. If you have the darker room, you can still work with it. You can ace the space, seriously. You can seriously go through the vibe, that you can keep a little LED red sort of lights upon you, and you can keep your room dark, and pictures come out very nice, very nice. I've already clicked my sister's pictures. I'll insert somewhere here so that you can check it out. So sometimes lightning needs to be very clear, sometimes not. The darker room photographies work for the persons who are very shy in clicking their whole body pictures. What you can do is, in darker room, you can pose like side face, and you can do like this, that you are wearing a very heavy, shiny sort of earring and putting your highlighter here, and that too is shiny, and you can click like this, and only this picture, this element will give you the best pictures. Now we'll talk about angles. Angles are the most important, like everything is most important in clicking pictures. So angles are also very important. Like you can try, if you are very shy, So what you can do is you can keep your hands, like if you are shy for showing your stuff like tummy or you have a belly or sort of things. So what you can do is you can play with your hands. You can keep your hands here like this or this, or what you can do is you can use some pouches like this and keep your pouch here. So these things will really take your pictures out. You can use a lot of accessories while clicking your pictures, so we'll get later on that. So you can also try different angles like this, or if you feel to click from here like this. So only you can see yourself that which angle is working for you. So yeah. Also, if you are someone who is very short in height, what you can do is you can click your pictures from lower angles, so that when you take your pictures from lower angle, your legs get elongated and you look a bit taller. So you don't need to show your exact height. ट्राई टेकिंग योर पिक्चर्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ क्लियर वॉल्स, क्योंकि जब आप किसी बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ में पिक्चर्स क्लिक करवाते हो तो फिर क्या हो जाता है, आप लोग को किसी चीज़ के साथ कंपैरिजन करने के लिए काफ़ी चीज़ हो जाती है. से फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू ट्री, they'll get the person who is watching our video, उनको पता लग जाएगा कि हमारा हाइट किसके अकॉर्डिंग है. So the ideal thing would be that taking pictures in sitting positions. तो उसमें क्या है, हमारा फुल आउटफिट भी क्लियरली दिख जाता है और उसके साथ हम कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं और वो पिक्चर्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से आती है. हम उसके साथ हील्स डाले, कुछ भी डाले, प्रॉप पकड़ ले, सब कुछ विजिबल हो जाता है. सो whenever I am going outside और clicking pictures at my home, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हैंड्स और मेरे लेग्स यूज़ करती हूँ to click my pictures. Say for example, using my hands like this. So if you love professional sort of photo shoots, so what you can do is you can pick some, if you are a girl, you can pick some accessories like this, or wear your watches. These sort of things provide an element in your pictures, and और आपकी pictures बहुत अच्छे वे से आती है. You can also add some purses like this, hold them like this, or stuff, anything, any bag, bum bag. Nowadays bum bags are quite in trend. So what you can do is wear your bum bags here and everything, any accessory, wearing your shades, keeping your shades on your head, all such things will give you good outcome. So आप लोग इन मूवमेंट पिक्चर्स भी क्लिक कर सकते हो. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई शो यू. सो लाइक वॉकिंग एंड क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स एट द सेम टाइम, वो वाइब बहुत केयर फ्री, बहुत कैजुअल, बहुत नेचुरल वाइब आती है और वो पिक्चर्स का एलिमेंट बहुत अच्छा होके आता है. सो लेट्स कम टू आउटफिट्स. सो for me, basics works so much well, so much nicely, that I always wear basics and try something wearing with them. Say for example, I am wearing this a tight shirt, tight crop top or tank top, and with that I am wearing this baggy pants. So these things works quite well with each other. You have to figure it out that what is your styling in your own way, but experimenting a little bit, experimenting with your hair. You can do different hairstyles, experimenting with accessories, experimenting with tops, t-shirts, makeup, anything. You just need to create your own vibe and have a little bit confidence, because if you don't have confidence in you, you cannot work with your pictures. You don't have to be very much conscious while clicking pictures like this or that people are seeing you. People will see you no matter what. Even if I'm shooting this, a lot of people, not a lot of, 2-3 people are standing back to the camera. So it's just normal. If you want your pictures to click nicely and come nicely, you have to go. And the best accessory that you can wear is your smile. So yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be bringing a lot more videos and stuff like this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.